So my name is Shelly. I started with Empowering Punch because I was not doing very well with the dieting on my own. After many, many tries and many, many years of trying, kind of hit a snag and needed a boost. The program was made available to me through my union and I signed up. I have had amazing results and great success. I'm down 43 pounds as of today, about 26 inches, over 10% body fat. Yeah, I feel great. I'm sleeping better. My energy level is up there. All my little old lady aches and pains are gone. And so I'm very, very pleased with the results. And I started the year at 186 pounds. And this morning I was 142. So lots of progress this year. And I started with Empowering Punch middle of February.
My name's Paul. I've been doing this program for about 8 months or so, and my results have been kind of mind-blowing to me. I started February 1st, okay? February 14th, I was already down 10 pounds, okay? So July 11th, I was down 60 pounds July 11th.
My name's Carl Pecoraro. I have been a member at Empowering Punch since 2018. My wife and I enrolled at the same time. I lost 30 pounds in 6 weeks.
I'm Gina, and I would say that before I actually started, I was definitely intimidated before going in. Once I got there, it was actually very easy to get involved. I wanted to lose weight and tone up, and I am proud to say that I have. I've lost about 25 pounds in about 4.5 months.
So I'm Keitha Nunn. I started coming in March. And the reason that I came was one, I had broken my leg in October. And I was going to physical therapy, but that just didn't work for me. And I was determined to do something because I didn't want to limp. I was fearful of going to try and work out because of my age. I never did it before. I had no idea what to expect. I didn't feel uncomfortable. I didn't feel judged. I felt completely comfortable. And I was surprised how quickly people remember my name. I'm not gonna lie.
I've worked for the Teamsters Union for over 40 years. I also serve as a chairman of a large health and welfare fund. My experience here at Empowering Punch caused me to sit down with the folks here and say, hey, is this something that maybe we can develop a program that would be good for our members? We built a virtual program with Empowering Punch. All of our members have the ability to join at an extremely reasonable cost. We continue to try to help people understand that, this isn't an exercise program. This is a lifestyle program.
Most of my workouts I do virtually from home. There's been guys that have been they'd look at the camera and they give me a little wave or something, or a thumbs up or something. So I do know some of the people that are here that are working out that I've never met before, but it's kind of like I'm right there with them.
I'm not counting calories anymore, which is amazing. And it's cheaper. It's so much cheaper. Oh my God, I spend like $40 a week on groceries. It's like nothing.
Now, I'm running now.
I was wearing a 2XL when I started. As of yesterday, we got our new coaching shirts for football. I told the guy to grab me a large, which is still very good for me. Went to grab a large and I'm like, it's a little baggy on me. Maybe I'm gonna try a medium. It fit me. I couldn't tell you when the last time is that I was in a medium shirt.
'Cause it works. How's that?
I've been going there ever since and I love it. The community, the whole family, everybody. If you're missing or didn't show up, someone's like, hey, where you been? So it was really cool to know that you have a community.
Not only am I better from a weight perspective, but I'm better from a health perspective.
It's great. It's a great place. I love it there. I really do.